What is going on, guys? Master Gamer here for you today, back with another MyClub episode for you today. Hopefully we're having a lovely day. Welcome back to another episode today, and we are playing another online game today. And this guy, he's got Arshavin, Oscar, Joe Ledley, Albo in the middle. Oh, interesting. And overall, his midfield is fucking good. His midfield is good. But today, also, we are back on this lovely game. It's good to be back. I like playing PES. PES is always a good one to play. Who doesn't like playing PES? No one does. So, there we go. So, we're back today on this lovely game, and it's good to be back. And we're playing some PES. Which we can't go wrong with, because PES is PES. Right, okay. Let's jump straight into a game. I'm ready to go. He's ready to go. Boom. No freaking problems there. So, hopefully all enjoying my club PES 2015 and everything like that. I'm thoroughly enjoying it, and hopefully you are as well. So the first couple of episodes went down a treat, so I'm very pleased they've gone down well. You guys are enjoying them. But obviously, last episode was the most saltiest episode I have done so far on this series, and hopefully we don't continue on the saltiness today. Because last game, 9-1, that centre forward freaking destroying my anus. He literally bent me over, freaking destroyed me. He was freaking OP in my defence. It was just freaking like, oh, see you, boof, freaking knocking them all out, and it was just too good. It was freaking too good for my defence. I don't know. I just do not know. And if you haven't seen it, go and watch it. See how salty I get. But I've put the salt back in the cupboard now. I put the salt back in the cupboard. And hopefully the salt doesn't have to come back out of this episode. Fingers crossed we don't have to. I don't want to bring the salt out. The salt is away. And I want to have a good game today. So fingers crossed we can. But this is going to be an interesting game. It's going to be an interesting game. This one will be. He's got a good midfield. He's got a good midfield, and he's probably got an amazing defender. He's going to freaking destroy me so much today.
There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium.
There we
I'm
go.
hit by it too.
I see you there. Pass out wide. Oh no. Sanzo. Fucking hell already. One shot already. Alba though, he's got amazing shots, so I'm not surprised he's playing in midfield, to be honest. Fingers freaking crossed. Just fingers crossed. But this doesn't. That centre back's being dragged out. Get back in position. Fucking gorgeous goal. Danny Sanjo, what his play name is.
Let me tell you, it's worked out very nicely. I think for the skill
Jesus.
with a goal too is a bonus, but this game has already taken on a
right
attacking edge, and long may that continue.
I don't know how many games we're in a row now of losing, which is not going our way.
Well, as contact goes,
what the flitchel? Salt, stay in the cupboard. My passing was terrible there. Albert's freaking.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting.
Jesus Christ, Alba.
Manchester United suffering an early setback and looking to reel it back in. The only consolation at this
why is my defenders just leaving that middle gap open? Come on, defenders. Dossie's the only one up there, and gets outrun.
Promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm.
What the heck? What is going on? Did I leave my freaking wonders or something behind? Right.
Aimed in towards the centre. Rodriguez. Shaqiri goes on a chance
That was
down the
a
left.
terrible through ball. That was
Fully executed.
terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible.
Goes wide. D'Alessandro. A chance. In comes the delivery. It's come loose.
What?
He's looking to get there first. In it goes. All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing.
What the fuck?
Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Well, he's got the result there.
That was interesting.
Or lack of it.
What?
That second goal has given them
My
so
pass
much
didn't work. My pass didn't work
They
there.
should be able to take it on from here and either.
They are running riot. And already
Okay,
they're
I'm going
to
fucking
run away
direct
with it.
cable. This shit ain't fucking happening.
That has brought the house down.
I tried to pass the ball, but the ball didn't pass.
Contact was fantastic, right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll.
Again, I went to press the through ball. Nothing.
Manchester
No!
United 3 behind.
My passes are not doing what I want them to do.
Has done it. Hot knife through buzzer. They have done it again.
This is literally not me. I'm trying to make passes, but the passes are not. They're so delayed.
It's rarely a problem when that much time is afforded in the penalty box. Nobody sensed where the was going, and the finish was made a lot easier.
Tries a through ball. Shade too heavy. Keeper can pick that up. Neymar. Fine defending there.
No, 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 no. 4 fucking nil is enough at the minute already. All because of fucking passing issues.
And it's Oscar. Looks to slip it through. Oh, it's hit the post. They've done it! And they are disappearing out of sight. He was so alert to the
I just don't know what to say at the minute because I'm trying to make passes, but it's not letting me do it.
It's not so much the
Stop.
finish, but the way he read
Right,
the
press X.
situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
Manchester United are still behind as we reach out for half-time.
The head goalkeeper, you're going fucking taken off.
Strong
They're doing
challenge,
nothing.
but well within the laws. Podolski.
I really want some good players. Like, freaking, how did people put Albert and all that? Right,
Till the break.
we can do this. Alba! Look at him, he got out of the way of my... No! No, my defence literally opened up for him.
Finish now.
Get out of my area.
It's tough for the keeper to handle.
No, don't come in my area.
Oscar passes it through. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing.
I haven't had a shot on goal.
And go again.
Is he actually being that salty? Right, we're making fucking changes. That goalkeeper is coming off. He's going to the fucking bench. That goalkeeper is going to the bench. That goalkeeper is going to the fucking bench. That goalkeeper's going to the bench. I'm done with that goalkeeper. I just knew as soon as we signed him or got him in the pack, he was going to be a freaking problem. He's at 1 rating higher, but it's too freaking slow probably. That's his problem. What's this guy doing? Is he taking off all his decent players? Oh, is he going to bring on Messi and finish me off? No, he hasn't actually got Messi, which is lucky.
And we're off again.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time
Come on,
for
boys.
to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
The delay on the tackle there.
Ledley. Now it's Oscar. Looks like a good ball through.
Booted up there.
Wilshire gets it back. Tries to stroke it through. Oscar.
Okay, right. So what we're gonna do? The midfield is so crammed. It is so freaking crammed.
Lobs it in
Shit.
gently. Nicely measured pass. Oh, good
Right,
ball.
come on.
D'Alessandro beats the offside trap.
Where you gonna hit it? Where you gonna hit it? Jesus Christ! Oh Christ! Clear it! Clear it! Get the ball!
Alaba.
Ooh, no, 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 no. This is not good. That's good. That's no. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's not going near you. Right, pass it back. Pass it back.
So what now? We've got to see a
Oh,
real
that
determination and purpose
tackle
now
was
if
good.
This deficit is to be recovered. No holding back and being patient about this challenge. It's time to roll the sleeves up and go for it.
Gets it upfield. Oh, he's made sure that that won't get through.
Oh,
The shot's on! Oh, impressive.
interesting.
What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
Oh, that's great stuff. Exactly what he's all about.
Yeah, he's definitely a player who looks like he could make something happen every
Right.
time he's on the ball.
Pass
He's just full
out.
of belief.
Pass back in. Not freaking there, you dimwit. I wanted to pass it to freaking like in freaking the actual centre, not freaking centre backs.
He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Manchester United may be thinking about substitutions now. They still have 2 available. D'Alessandro.
What are you doing?
Big chance here. And it's Oscar. It's Oscar! Well,
That wasn't that great of a shot.
But no end product.
That was a very decent shot from distance. You know, a little less strength and it might have just
All right,
under the
let's
bar.
do some changes.
There we go.
Right, what's he gonna do? He's doing some changes. What are you doing? Doing something. Probably eating some food. Can't be changing anything, surely. Oh, he is making changes, fair enough. Oh, he's actually ready to go now. Oh my god, it's just the reaction so slow there. It's like, oh yeah, that's a ball. I need to go and get it. No. No.
Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary.
Necessary. Oh no 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 no.
Now the shot.
Oh my god, that goalkeeper actually reacted.
Now that was quite some save. Got just about enough on that, but all at the expense of a corner. Played it
Yeah, you
short.
can try and make your fucking cross. No.
Another piece of really good defending.
Well, that was a really open one for the goalkeeper to deal with.
Rodriguez.
What the fuck?
Dashing forward at pace.
Pass the freaking ball, you moron! It's not passing the ball, I'm spamming the freaking pass buttons like pass, 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 pass.
Mieszewski. Now it's Neymar. Another piece of really good defending. Neymar.
That was really bad, Neymar. That was really bad.
Good interception. Oscar tries the route one option. Tries a through ball.
What the fuck? No!
Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Shakes the shoots. Really well taken goal. Yet another goal in an awesome performance. They are in complete charge.
Fucking hell.
Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on.
Well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate. And we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness.
Fucking goalkeeper, man. Fucking nice save.
De Rossi tries a long pass towards the front. Fine defending there. Well positioned to make that interception.
No, fuck!
Oh, he's come up against a brick wall there. Oh, he's broken through. And in it goes. D'Alessandro with the smoothest one-on-one finish. Here's one very cool.
Oh my god. Well, at least I haven't been as salty. I haven't been as salty as this last episode.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
This is one of the best performances I've seen in a while. He's practically taken on this team single-handedly, and they don't know how to stop him.
I'm not celebrating.
Neymar with a
It's only
shot.
a goal.
Neymar, one of a type. He's brilliant. Jim, your thoughts?
Look, I don't want to take anything away from the finish because he ghosted his way into position. But where was the communication in that defence? Who was taking charge? Nobody.
With my squad I've got, I should be freaking dominating. With my attacking line, I should be fucking dominating. My defence still needs fucking tuning up, but
Alessandro. Real chance, and the finish. It's bounced out.
what the fuck?
Ball's out on the left now. Lovely bit of skill. A chance. Who's ball? Who's going to get there?
7-1. Better than 9-1. Better than 9-1. Oh my god, I cannot believe that match. That match. We won't speak of it. But guys, hopefully you have some sort of enjoyed this episode today and got some good laughs out of my fucking terrible defending and shit like that. If you did enjoy it, remember to smash that like button down below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well for more PES content coming up soon. And we will be doing another episode soon. Guys, thank you all for watching today. Have yourself a lovely day, and I'm now down to 326, which is not a good number. But guys, have a good day, and I'll see you later on. Bye!